Today we're going to go over how to insert a maintenance request in FireHouse. Begin by logging into FireHouse. You'll start by going to the Inventory button. Select Inventory. If you know your inventory ID, you can insert it here. I like to go to Browse. For now, it pulls up your list of available apparatus. This morning I received an email about the squad emergency lights not working. So that's what we'll be working with for this example. So you'll select squad and double click it. This inventory asset description will show up. We will go to the Maintenance Test tab. And this morning, instead of receiving an email, the correct way to do this is we will go to the Add button. In the job, the code is going to be RFM, or you can select this box. You can scroll down until you find it if you cannot remember RFM. What priority is this? Is this emergency or preventative maintenance? Anything that would cause the apparatus to be considered out of service on this day will be considered emergency. At this time, everything else will be preventative maintenance. What station is making the request? That was station 2. And what shift? It was B shift that made the request. Now, for this maintenance request or request for maintenance, it's going to be a completed request for maintenance. We would like for you to enter the mileage and the hour reading if that's available. The staff making the request, this morning it was Ray White, so we'll put that there. We'll go over to the Notes section, and this is where you'll put what is needing to be repaired. So this, he said the emergency lights were not working, so we'll just write it how he wrote it up. And then they said it looks like they are not getting power. Then you'll simply, if Ray was filling this out, you would hit enter, and I'll change it to reflect that. But you will right click and you will select user date timestamp. And then I will simply just change this to Ray White. But once again, this lets me or the captain, whoever's reviewing these maintenance requests, who made the request and what issues. At this point, I could also, if I'm in here reviewing it, I could put additional notes and I could user date and timestamp it as well. So there's a record of everyone who's had input on this maintenance test detail. So right now we'll simply go here to save, and the request for maintenance is saved after you check your spelling. We will close it. The record is there. We will close it. If you want to see if your record was saved, you can go to the Journal tab. You can see the month here that there's a wrench. You can go over here and look, and sure enough, there's a wrench here. You can double click it and you can check the request for maintenance. There will be more videos like this to follow. Stay tuned for more.